Okay, so I recorded this and it was like a really good box opening, so it was too long, but I'll show you. So he has this little onesie that has these little pants and then this little jacket. And then also this little footie. And then we got a magnetic passy with a passy clip and a bottle, and then a little brush for his hair, and then some diapers. And then I started opening him and realized it was probably too long to send. So, okay, his little butt's right there. Oh, I see a hand. So he is 7 pounds, 14 ounces. So he is a very good size. He weighs more than my firstborn did, but he weighs very, very close to what Logan weighed. So there's his little feetsies and his legs. I love his blanket. So let's look at his feet. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. His little feet. Oh my gosh. I love the texturing she did. Oh my gosh, his feet are so cute. Okay, I put his socks back on. Go night-night, please. Hold on. Go night-night. Sorry, Hudson's supposed to be napping. He has like a very like soft textured skin, but like it's textured. It's weird. Like I don't know how to explain it, but it's like perfect. And his little feet, his other little foot. So cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to get to his face. My first word will be mama. That's the cutest. Oh my gosh, this outfit. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love the skin tone on him. It's so perfect. Okay. Whew. Let's open up his little head. He's so heavy. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay. Oh my gosh, his hair. I just felt his hair. Oh my gosh. Wow, oh my gosh, he looks so real. Oh my goodness, I love him. Oh my gosh, he's so cute.